Hello folks, it's Leon from Phoenix Home Gurus. Now this is the first in a series of shorter videos on how to go through the buying process and how to get from meeting your realtor all the way to closing your home and getting the keys and moving in, which is the goal. So we're going to be covering all these topics that are going to range from meeting with a professional, getting pre-approved, searching for your home, making an offer, negotiating and negotiation of the contract, what is escrow and getting into escrow, final details, and then the closing. So these sort of things are very important. And the first one we're going to cover is meeting with a real estate professional. And as I alluded to in a previous video, I think that's the first step before getting yourself pre-qualified. And I got a lot of pushback on this one, but the reason why is that every mortgage professional will have things that are their strengths or their weaknesses. And there are a few that I have known that will factor out if that's not within their butter zone, but that's a rare beast. So you want to make sure that your loan officer is the person that's going to be the best for you. Let's talk about your real estate professional. Say you're not in the Phoenix metro area and you can't use me. First of all, you should call me anyway because I can actually interview somebody for you to make sure they're the right person. You want to make sure you have a professional, full-time realtor that has been in the business and has seen other than this market. So the market we've had for the last couple of years has been very simple, very, very straightforward, more of a seller's market. Now we're about to transition into a more balanced market, and that's going to put a whole lot of challenges on those who have not been through that. We've been at this business for almost 20 years, and we have been through some serious upturns and some serious downturns, and we know how to manage that sort of thing. So you need to find somebody that does that as well. You do want to have somebody that's full-time. We run into the situation all the time where somebody cannot be contacted during the day. That is not who you need. You need somebody who can actually show you and take the time.